Watch how the high-pressure cleaning nozzle moves forward inside the pipeline. Powered by strong water pressure, it quickly cuts through sludge and stubborn blockages. With high-pressure water jets spraying in all directions, it provides full 360-degree cleaning coverage inside the pipe. This powerful cleaning action removes dirt and debris from the inner pipe walls, making the cleaning process faster, deeper, and more effective. It greatly improves pipeline cleaning efficiency while reducing manual labor and operation time. This is one of the key functions that makes the vacuum sewer truck more efficient and reliable for drainage maintenance work.